हेलो बच्चों, मेरा नाम वसी अंजुम है। मैं नीट के बच्चों को गाइड करता हूँ, प्रिपेयर करवाता हूँ बायोलॉजी। और आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए नीट 2024 का सॉल्यूशंस लेकर आया हूँ। तो हम शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन बॉटनी से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 101। क्वेश्चन है मैच ऑफ द लिस्ट 1 विथ लिस्ट 2। Options A, B, C, D: Rhizopus, Astilago, Puccinia agaricus. And list 2: mushroom, smut fungus, bread mold, rust fungus. Correct answer is A, A3, B2, C4, D1. Next question is: identify the part of the seed from the given figure which is destined to form root when the seed germinates. Correct option is D, 4D. Question number 103. Lecithin, a small molecular weight organic compound found in the living tissues, is an example of. Correct answer is 2, phospholipid. Question number 104. Match 1 with 2. One is 2 or more alternative forms of gene. Cross of F1 progeny with homozygous recessive parent. C is cross of F1 progeny with any of the parents. Option D is number of chromosomes sets in plants. And in list 2 is back cross, ploidy, allele and test cross. Correct answer is 3, A3, B4, C1, D2. Question number 105. A transcription unit in DNA is defined primarily by the 3 regions in DNA, and these are with respect to upstream and downstream end. Correct answer is 4, promoter, structural gene, terminator. Question number 106. Auxin is used by gardeners to prepare weed-free lawns, but no damage is caused to grass as auxin. Correct answer is 3, does not affect mature monocotyledonous plants. Question number 107. These are regarded as major causes of biodiversity loss. Correct answer is overexploitation, co-extinction and habitat loss and fragmentation. Correct answer is 4, A, B, D. Question number 108. Option: Clostridium botulism, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Trichoderma polysporum and Streptococcus species. List 2: ethanol, streptokinase, butyric acid, cyclosporine. Correct answer is 3, A3, B1, C4, D2. Question number 109. Spindle fibers attached to kinetochore of chromosome during. Correct answer is option 2, metaphase. Question number 110. Which of the following is an example of actinomorphic flower? Correct answer is 1, datura. Question number 111. The cofactor of enzyme carboxypeptidase is. Correct answer is 1, zinc. Question number 112. Match list 1 with list 2. Options: list 1, nucleolus, centriole, leucoplast, Golgi apparatus. List 2, site of protoplast, site of formation of glycolipid, organization like cartwheel. Site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis and for storing nutrients. Correct option is A, A3, B2, C4, D1. Question number 113. The capacity to generate whole plant from any cell of the plant is called. Correct option is 1, totipotency. Question number 114. Hint 2. Always cuts DNA molecule at a particular point called recognition sequence, and it consists of, correct answer is 2, 6 base pairs. 115 question number. Identify the set of correct statements. A. Flowers of Vallisneria are colorful and produce nectar. B. The flowers of water lily are not pollinated by water. C. In most of the plant pollinated species, the pollen grain are protected from wetting. Question number D. Pollen grains of some hydrophytes are long and ribbon-like. E. In some bryophytes, the pollen grains are carried passively inside water. Correct option is C, D, E, that is option 1. Question number 116. Statement 1. Parenchyma is living but collenchyma is dead. Option 2. Statement 2. Gymnosperms lack xylem vessels, but presence of xylem vessels is the characteristics of angiosperm. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Correct option is 4. Statement 1 is false. Statement 2 is true. Question number 117. Formation of interfascicular cambium from fully developed parenchyma cells is an example of. Correct option is C. 3. Dedifferentiation. Question number 118. Inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase enzyme by malonate is a classical example of. Correct option is C. 3. Competitive inhibition. 119 question. Identify the type of flowers based on position of calyx, corolla and rachim with respect to the ovary from given figure A and B. This is the figure A and B. Correct option is perigynous, A perigynous, B perigynous. Correct option is 4. Option 4. Question number 120. In plant, black seed color, capital B slash capital B small b, is dominant over white seed, small b. In order to find out the genotype of the black seed plant, with which of the following genotype will you cross it? Correct option is 2, small b. Question number 121. Tropical regions show greatest level of species richness because. Option A. Tropical latitudes have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years, hence more time was available for species diversification. Option B. Tropical environments are more seasonal. Option C. More solar energy is available in tropics. Option D. Constant environments promote niche specialization. Option E. Tropical environments are constant and predictable. Correct is 1, A, C, D, E. Question number 122. The equations of world's per logistic growth is dn upon dt is r n k minus n upon k. From this equation, k indicates. Correct option is 3, carrying capacity. Question number 123. In the given figure, which component has thin outer wall and the highly thickened inner walls? Correct option is 1, C. Guard cell. Question number 124. Statement 1. Chromosome becomes gradually visible under light microscope during leptoproteinine stage. Statement 2. Beginning of the diplotin stage is recognized by dissolution of cytoplasmic complex. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answers. Correct answer is 1. Statement 1 and 2 are true. Question number 125. A list of endangered species are released by. Correct answer is 4, IUCN. 126 question. Which of the following are required for the dark reaction of photosynthesis? Correct option is C, D and E. So 3, C, D and E are the correct answer. Question number 127. The type of conservation in which the threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in the special settings where they can be protected and given special care is called. Correct option is 2, biodiversity conservation. Question number 28. What is the fate of the piece of DNA carrying on the gene of interest which is transferred into an alien organism? Option A. The piece of DNA would be able to multiply itself independently in the progeny cells of the organisms. B. It may be integrated into the genome of recipient. C. It may multiply and be inherited along with the host DNA. D. The aligned piece of DNA is not an integral part of the chromosome. E. It shows ability to replicate. Correct answer is B. 3. Correct answer is 3. B and C only. Question number 129. The lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell by the action of. Correct answer is 3. Permease. Question number 130. Which one of the following be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? A. Odd of the one pair of factors. One is dominant, the other is recessive. B. Alleles don't show any expression and both the characters appear as such in F2 generations. C. Factors occur in the pairs in normal diploid plants. D. The discrete unit controlling a particular character is called factor. E. The expression of only one of the parental characters is found in the monohybrid cross. Correct option. Correct answer is 1, A, B and C. Question number 131. Which one of the following is not a criteria for classification of fungi? Correct answer is 2, mode of nutrition. Question number 132. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Bt toxins are insect group specific and coded by a gene Cry1AC. Statement 2. Bt toxin exists as inactive prototoxin in Bacillus thuringiensis. However, after ingestion by the insect, the inactive prototoxin gets converted into active form due to acidic pH of the insect gut. In the light of the above statement, correct answer. Correct answer is 3. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Question number 133. Bulliform cells are responsible for. Correct answer is 1. Inward curling of the leaves in monocots. Question number 134. A pink flowered snapdragon plant was crossed with a red flowered snapdragon plant. What type of phenotypes are expected in the genotype in the progeny? Correct answer is 2. Red flower as well as pink flower plants. Question number 125. How many molecules of ATP and NADPH are required for every molecule of CO2 fixed in the Kelvin cycle? Correct answer is 4. 3 molecules of ATP, 2 molecules of NADPH. Question number 130. Question number 136. Match list 1, list 2. Robert May, list 1, Robert May, Alexander von Humboldt, Paul Ehrlich, David Tillman. List 2, species, area, relationships, long-term ecosystems, experimental using outdoor plots. Global species diversity at about 7 million. Rivard Popper hypothesis. Correct option is 2, A3, B1, C4, D2. Question number 137. Identify the correct description about the given figure. Correct answer is 1. Wind pollinated plant inflorescence showing flowers with well exposed stamens. Question number 138. List 1, list 2. List 1. Frederick Griffith Francois, Jacob and Jacob Monod. C. Hargobind Khorana. D. Michelson and Stoll. List 2. 1. Genetic code. 2. Semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. 3. Transformations. D. Lac operon. Correct option is 2. A3, B4, C1, D2. Question number 139. Spraying sugarcane crop with which of the following plant growth regulators increases the length of a stem, thus increasing the yield? Correct answer is 2. Gibberellin. Match the list 1 with list 2. List 1. A. Rose. B. Pea. C. Cotton. D. Mango. List 2. Twisted estivation. 1. 2. Perigynous flower. 3. Droop. 4. Marginal placentations. Correct answer is 1. A2, B4, C1, D3. 141. Question number 141. Read the following statements. Choose the set of correct statements. In the members of UFIC, A. Asexual reproduction occurs usually by biflagelate zoospores. B. Sexual reproduction is by oogamous method only. C. Stored food is in the form of carbohydrates, which is either mannitol or laminarin. D. The major pigments found are chlorophyll, A, C, and carotenoids and xanthophyll. E. Vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall, usually covered on the outside by a gelatinous coating of algin. Correct answer is 3. A, C, D, E only. Question number 142. Identify the step in tricarboxylic acid cycle which does not involve oxidation of substrate. Our correct answer is 3. Succinyl coenzyme 2 succinic acid. Question number 143. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In C3 plants, some O2 bind to rubisco, hence CO2 fixation is decreased. Statement 2. In C4 plants, mesophyll cells show very little photorespiration, while bundles sheath cells don't show photorespiration. Correct answer is 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Question number 144. List A, list 2. List A, GLUT4, B, insulin, C, trypsin, D, collagen. List 2, 1, hormone, 2, enzyme, 3, intracellular ground substance, 4, enable glucose transport into cells. Correct answer is 1, A4, B1, C2, D3. 145 question. List 1, list 2. List 1, A, monoidalphus, B, diadalphus, C, polyoidalphus, D, epiphyllus. List 2, 1, citrus, 2, pea, 3, lily, 4, China rose. Correct. 1, A4, B2, C1, D3. Question number 146. The DNA present in chloroplast is, correct answer is 2, circular double stranded. Question number 147. In an ecosystem, if the NPP of the first trophic level is 100x, what would be the GPP of the third trophic level of the same ecosystem? Correct answer is 2x. Question number 148. Which of the following are fused in somatic hybridization involving two varieties of plants? Correct option is 3, protoplasts. Question number 149. List 1. A, citric acid cycle, B, glycolysis, C, electron transport, D, proton gradient. List 2. A1, cytoplasm, 2, mitochondrial matrix, 3, intermembrane space of mitochondria, 4, inner mitochondrial membrane. Correct. 2, A2, B1, C4, D3. Question number 150. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the species of replication in E. coli? Correct option is 4. The DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in 5'3" direction. Botany and zoology. Now, question number 151. Which of the following is not a steroid hormone? Correct answer is 4, glucagon. Question number 152. Statement 1. In the presence or absence of hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity. Statement 2. The hymen is not torn during the first coitus only. Correct answer is 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Question number 153. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A bioreactor provides optimal growth conditions for achieving the desired product. 2. Most commonly used bioreactors are of stirring type. Option 3 is bioreactors are used to produce small scale bacterial cultures. Answer number 4 is bioreactors have an agitator system, an oxygen delivery system, and foam control system. Correct answer is 3. Question number 154. Which one is correct product of DNA dependent RNA polymerase to the given template? Correct answer is 1. Question number 155. Assertion. FSH acts upon ovarian follicles in female and Leydig cells in male. Reason. Growing ovarian follicles secrete estrogen in female while interstitial cells secrete androgen in male human beings. Correct option is 4. A is false, R is true. List 1, List 2. List 1. A. Typhoid, B. Leishmaniasis, C. Ringworm, D. Filariasis. List 2. A. 1 fungus, 2 nematode, 3 protozoa, 4 bacteria. Correct answer is 2. A4, B3, C1, D2. Question number 157. Following are the stages of pathway of conduction of an action potential through the heart. A. AV bundle, B. Purkinje fiber, C. AV node, D. Bundle branches, E. SA node. Correct answer is 1. E. C. A. D. B. Question number 158. List 1, List 2. List 1. A. Dikinesis, B. Packaging, C. Zygotine, D. Leptidine. List 2. 1. Cytoplasmal complex formations, 2. Complex completion of terminalization of chiasmata, 3. Chromosome loop like thin threads, 4. Appearance of recombination nodules. Correct answer is 3. A2, B4, C1, D3. 150. 3 types of muscles are given ABC. Identify the correct match. A is skeletal muscle, B is smooth muscle, C is cardiac muscle. So correct option is 2. Question number 160. List 1, List 2. List 1. A. Non-medicated IUDs, B. Copper released IUDs, C. Hormone releasing IUD, D. Implants. List 2. Multilode 375, 2. Progestogens, 3. Lipase loop, 4. LNG20. Correct answer is 4. A3, B1, C4, D2. 161. List 1. A. Lipase, B. Nuclease, C. Protease, D. Amylase. List 2. A. 1 peptide bond, 2 ester bond, 3 glycoside bond, 4 phosphodiester bond. Correct answer is 3. A2, B4, C1, D3. Question number 162. Given below are the two statements. Assertion. Breastfeeding during initial period of infant growth is recommended by doctors for bringing a healthy baby. Reason. Colostrum contains several antibodies absolutely essential for develop resistance for the newborn baby. Correct answer is A and B are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 163. Correct. A is Homo habilis, correct sequence. A is Homo habilis, B Homo sapiens, C Homo neanderthalensis, D Homo erectus. Correct answer is, correct sequence is 4. A, D, C, B. Question number 164. List 1. Axonym, B. Cartwheel, C. Christie, D. Satellite. List 2. 1. Centriole, 2. Cilia and flagella, 3. Chromosome, 4. Mitochondria. Correct answer is A4, A2, B1, C4, D3. Question number 165. List 1. Pterophyllum, A. B. Myxine, C. Pristis, D. Exocetus. List 2. 1. Hagfish, 2. Sawfish, 3. Angelfish, 4. Flying fish. Correct answer is 2. A3, B1, C2, D4. Question number 166. List 1. Alpha-1 antitrypsin A, B. Cry1 AB, C. Cry1 AC, D. Enzyme replacement therapy. List 2. 1. Cotton bollworm, 2. ADA deficiency, 3. emphysema, and 4. corn borer. Correct answer is 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. Question number 167. The TI plasmid of agrobacterium tumefaciens stands for? Correct answer is 3. Tumor inducing plasmid. Question number 168. List 1. A. Pleurobrachia. B. Radula. C. Stomachord. D. Air bladder. List 2. 1. Mollusca. 2. Ctenophora. 3. Osteichthyes. 4. Hemichordata. Correct answer is 2. A. 2. B. 1. C. 4. D. 3. Question number 169. Which of the following is not a natural or traditional contraceptive method? Correct option is 4. Wards. Question number 170. Following are the stages of cell divisions. A. Gap 2 phase. B. Cytokinesis. C. Synthesis phase. D. Karyokinesis. E. Gap 1 phase. Correct answer is 4. E. C. A. D. B. 171. Which of the following factors will not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? Correct answer is 4. Constant gene pool. 172 question. List 1. A. Pons. B. Hypothalamus. C. Medulla. D. Cerebellum. List 2. 1. Provides additional space for neurons, regulates posture and balance. 2. Controls respiration and gastric secretions. 3. Connects different regions of brain. And 4 is neurosecretory cells. Correct answer is B. Correct answer is 2. A3, B4, C2 and D1. Question number 173. List 1. A. Expiratory capacity. B. Functional residual capacity. C. Vital capacity. D. Inspiratory capacity. List 2. 1. Expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. 2. Tidal volume plus expiratory reserve volume. 3. Tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. 4. Expiratory reserve volume plus residual volume. Correct answer is 1. A2, B4, C1, D3. Question number 174. Which of the following are autoimmune disorders? Correct answer here is rheumatoid arthritis only. Options are A. Myasthenia gravis, rheumatoid arthritis. Correct answer is here is 2. A, B, E. Myasthenia gravis. A. B. Rheumatoid arthritis. And E. Systemic lupus erythematosus. So correct answer is A, B, E. (175) Which of the following is not component of fallopian tube? Correct answer is 1. Uterine fundus. Question number 176. List 1. A. Fibrous joint. B. Cartilaginous joint. C. Hinge joint. And D. Ball and socket joint. List 2. 1. Adjacent vertebrae, limited movement. 2. Humerus and pectoral girdle, rotational movement. And 3. Skull don't allow any movement. And 4. Knee help in locomotions. Correct answer is 4. A3, B1, C4, D2. Question number 177. Flippers of penguins and dolphins are the examples of. Correct answer is 3. Convergent evolutions. Question number 178. Statement 1. In the nephron, descending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water and permeable to electrolytes. Statement 2. The proximal involuntary tubule is lined by simple columnar brush border epithelium and increases the surface area for the reabsorption. Correct answer is 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Question number 179. In the both sexes of the cockroach, a pair of joint fibrous structures called anal cerci are present on. Correct answer is 2. 10th segment. Question number 180. Which of the following factors are favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin in alveoli? Correct answer is 2. High PO2 and lesser hydrogen concentrations. Question number 181. The following diagram, following restriction sites of E. coli cloning vector PBR3D2 find the role of the X and Y gene. X and Y gene. So these the correct answer is 2. The X gene is responsible for controlling the copy number of the linked DNA, that is ORI, and Y for the protein involved in the replication of plasmid disease rock code. 182 question. List 1 A. Down syndrome, B. thalassemia alpha, and C. beta thalassemia, D is Klinefelter syndrome. List 2 11th chromosome, 2 is X chromosome, 3 is 21st chromosome, and 4 is 16th chromosome. Correct answer is 3 A3 B4 C1 D2. Question number 183. Consider the following statements. A. Annelids are true coelomates. B. Porphyrians are pseudocoelomates. C. Ascalemathes acoelomates. D. Platyhelminthes are pseudocoelomates. Correct answer is 2, that is A only. Question number 184. List 1, list 2. List 1 A. Common cold, B. Hemozoid, C. Vital test, and D. Allergy. List 2 1 Plasmodium, 2 Typhoid, 3 Rhinovirus, 4 Dust mites. Correct answer is 3 A3 B1 C2 D4. 185 question. List 1 A. Cocaine, B. Heroin, C. Morphine, D. Marijuana. List 2 1 Effective sedative surgery, 2 Cannabis sativus, 3 Erythrozolone, and 4 Papaver somniferum. Correct answer is 4 A3 B4 C1 D2. Question number 186. Statement 1. Gauss competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for different resources cannot exist independently. Statement 2. According to Gauss's principle, during competitions, the inferior will be eliminated. This may be true if resources are limiting. Now the correct answer is 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 187. The following are the statements about non-chordates. Here, option A, pharynx is perforated by gill slits, is incorrect. And B, notochord is absent, is true. C, central nervous system is dorsal, is false. And D, heart is dorsal, is false. And E, post-anal tail is absent, is true. So B and E are true. No options are given here. Question number 188. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The cerebral hemispheres are connected by nerve tract known as corpus callosum. Statement 2. The brain stem consists of medulla oblongata, pons, cerebrum. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Correct answer is 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 189. Match the list 1 and list 1. A. The structures used for storing food. B. Ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules at junction of foregut and midgut. C. Ring of 150 yellow colored thin filaments at junction of midgut and hindgut. D is the structures used for grinding the food. List 2 is 1 gizzard, 2 gastric ceca, and 3 Malpighian tubules, and 4 is crop. Correct answer is 1 A4 B2 C3 D1. List 1. Exophthalmic goiter, B. acromegaly, C. Cushing syndrome, D. cretinism. List 2. 1. Excess secretions of cortisol, moon phase hyperglycemia. 2. Hypersecretions of thyroid hormone and stunted growth. 3. Hypersecretion of thyroid hormone and protein I balls. 4. Excessive secretions of growth hormone. Correct answer is 4 A3 B4 C1 D2. Question number 191. Choose the correct statement given below about juxtamedullary nephrons. Option 1. Juxtamedullary nephrons are located in the columns of Bertini. 2. Renal corpuscles of juxtamedullary nephron lies on the outer portion of the renal medulla. Option C, which is correct, is loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into medulla, lies deep into the medulla. And option 4, juxtamedullary nephron found in the cortical nephron. So the correct option is 3. Question number 192. Regarding the catalytic cycle of the enzyme action, select the correct sequential steps. A. Substrate enzyme complex formations. B. Free enzyme ready to bind with another substrate. C. Release of products. D. Chemical bonds of substrate broken. E. Substrate binding to active site. Correct option is D. Correct option is 1. EADCB. EADCB. Question number 193. List 1. A. Unicellular granular epithelium. B. Compound epithelium. C. Multicellular granular epithelium. D. Endocrine glandular epithelium. List 2 is 1. Salivary glands. B. Pancreas. 3. Goblet cells. And 4. Moist surface of buccal cavity. Correct answer is 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. Question number 194. Mesozoic era. A. List 1. List 1 2. Proterozoic era. C. Cenozoic era. D. Paleozoic era. List 2. Lower invertebrates. 1, 2. Fish and amphibia. 3. Birds and reptiles. 4. Mammals. Correct answer is 4. A3, B1, C4, D2. Question number 195. Statement 1. Mitochondria and chloroplasts are both double membranous bond organelles. Statement 2. Inner membrane of mitochondria is relatively less permeable as compared to chloroplast. Correct option is 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 195. List 1. A. P wave. B. QRS complex. C. T wave. D. TP wave. TP gap. List 2. 1. Heart muscles are electrically silent. 2. Depolarization of ventricles. 3. Depolarization of atria. 4. Depolarization of ventricles. Correct answer is 2. A3, B2, C4, D1. Question number 197. Statement 1. Bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. Statement 2. Both bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironments for the development and maturation of T lymphocytes. Correct answer is 1. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 198. GnRH at the top, then A is here it is LH, here it is A, that is FSH, and here it is B, LH, after LH, Leydig cells, then B, and then C is here, that is LH, FSH, FH after FSH, Sertoli cells, and here it is D, that is spermiogenesis. So correct option is FSH, Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, spermiogenesis for A, B, C, D. The correct answer is 1. Question number 199. As per the above blood grouping systems, the blood group of the father is B+, mother is A+, and child is O+. Their respective genotypes are. Correct option is A, IB, small I, capital IA, slash capital IA, small I, and slash small I, small I. So correct answer is 1, A only. Last question is question number 200 is match list 1, list 2. List 1 A, RNA polymerase 3, termination of transcription, C, splicing of exons, and D, Tata box. List 2 is 1, snRNPs, 2, promoter, 3, RHA factor, and 4 is snRNAs, tRNA. So correct option is 4, A4, 2, A4, B3, C1, D2. So these were the questions of NEET 2024. I suppose as usual as the previous year questions. So hope for your good attempts and your selection in NEET 2024. Best of luck. Thank you.